Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and today is Smash Your Stash October. And for the month of October, we were supposed to use buttons. So I have bunches and bunches of buttons. And when I was first thinking about this challenge for this month, I thought, button cards. And then the next thing I thought was Halloween button cards, because I have several Halloween projects going on at the same time. So then when I thought Halloween button cards, I thought, what if I made some Halloween button cards? So that's what I've done. I've taken my buttons, some of them I've sewn on, and then I realized, let's just go ahead and glue them on, and I'll show you how I did that in a minute. But I have all of these button cards. Some have space for 4 buttons. Some have a smaller rectangle where you can have 2 to 3 buttons. And I called my button brand All Hallows, for All Hallows Eve. And then I also made some button cards that have digital buttons. So these are perfect if you didn't want to add the bulk of these in a junk journal. So I have a bunch of these. There's 6 of the ones with the spot for 3, and then there's also 6 for the ones with 4. And I used Halloween colors, orange and purple. They're all different kinds of buttons. So those are fun. And then I just really wanted to quickly show you, looks like I lost a button, but so this is what I did. I took some embroidery floss and I just kind of did a quick little, stitch around the button. And then all you have to do here is add a little glue, and then that way you're not poking yourself with the needle, you're not trying to line up the area of the hole with your button, and then you just glue them on, and then after they glue, they're stuck on really well. So, and as you can see, I used quite a few buttons. I mean, I have gazillions in my stash, but now these can also go in to different, here's a folio I'm working on. So these, let's use one that's already glued. These can then be added to different projects. As a little tuck, you of course could use them to write on, however it'd be hard with the buttons, but they're really fun button cards. So since I made these, I also wanted to show you this. These will be listed in my Etsy shop. So here they are. You can download them and print them. The ones like this, I printed on cardstock. These right here, I just printed on my printer, it's nicer printer paper, but you can see them there. And then I just added the buttons, cut them apart. They will be on sale for the first few days, like I usually do. So if you want to grab these to do some Halloween crafting, if you are interested in also using some of your buttons in your button stash, I thought this was a really fun way to go ahead and do that. Yeah, pretty quick little video and project share this time with my button seam, and then once it's glued on, they just stick on, and they're super cute. Super cute. Yeah, I love them. Oh, and the other thing I did is I inked around my edges with some black soot. But you could also decorate, like this one I might clean up and maybe back with some paper of some sort before I stick it in a journal. But aren't they so fun? I think they're so fun. All right, again, check out my Etsy store if you're interested, CaraBrandonCreations. I'll have the link in the description, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.